Hello friends, welcome back to another crypto session for my trading predictions. Today is the 6th of August. So basically kind of a day in range, okay, at least for Bitcoin. You will see that comparing to the initial position, which is around here, we are kind of close, okay, not even 1% difference to the current position. So at least we got some powerful pumps, especially around this frame of time. And especially those of you who took advantage of this could have made a quick profit with some perpetual longs. But yeah, these days very much undecided, very much there's still no clear direction for the trend. Okay, even if you compare to the 1st of August, like the initial position is kind of trading in range. So I believe this will continue for some more days. Because for example, for the 7th of August, we also get a completely yellow circle, which means either a range day or a volatile day. And even if there's some volatility like today, or for example, yesterday, will be more like in range. Well, yesterday actually was a full correction. That was because unlike the 4th of August, which was sharing green energy or uptrend energy, for the 5th of August, we got only red, fully red. So that was why it was a very bad day for Bitcoin. Okay. It actually was the worst compared to other altcoins. But yeah, for example, for the next days, they're going to be very critical because around the 8 to the 9, basically 8 to 10, we're going to see some days which energies overlap. They will be kind of fighting over each other, trying to get dominance over these days. Will be very hard. I do believe we'll see some volatile days. But again, I need to warn you guys, trade with caution, especially this month of August, because I've been warning people as much as I can, as much as I'm possible to do, because there's some information that obviously I cannot share for YouTube, that only stays for my clients. They know what's up regarding this August trend. But what I want to warn you is that we'll get many fake outs, okay? People are basically saying, some people, not all of them, but some people are saying that we're going to hit new all-time highs this month of August. That's ridiculous, guys. Don't listen to that trash. So very, very careful trading these days. Many days will be very volatile because we have overlapping energies. There will be still no clear trend. Okay, I'm working on the weekly predictions or the weekly trends for the month, but I still need to perfect it a little bit more. I mean, it's very good right now. It's like 90-80% accurate, just like my other charts, just like this one. But it's I need to actually get more data from it. So I don't know if I'll be able to do this on August, but by September you'll have that guaranteed. So that's basically all I have for Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the other chart, which is Ethereum. Okay, so for Ethereum, let's see. We got the 6, okay? So the 6 starts right there, right here. And the difference is even smaller in Ethereum than it was for Bitcoin. It's very much in range, but because the difference is much smaller, we still have a worse performance. So this is something that can happen, okay? Whenever you see energies, it will mean that we could get a downtrend or an uptrend. But in other instances, we also get days where basically just this asset or whatever asset in particular has these differences or divergence with the other charts, basically means that we're going to underperform. We already talked about this many times ago, many other videos ago. So I don't really need to explain this. Again, many people still haven't watched the tutorial. They have no idea how the circles work. And that's not my fault, guys. The tutorial is out there. You can just search it for it. So again, we're going to see possibly for Ethereum a more volatile day tomorrow. We're going to see even more volatile days in this range of days, 8 to 9. One of these days will hit. Basically, we only got 2 range days, so only one of these will hit. I really don't see we'll see consecutive volatile days, so maybe the 9 could be. But around the 10, I expect to Ethereum to outperform, or at least do better, and maybe get a very powerful pump. Who knows? But yeah, altcoins do have the energy and the potential to outperform Bitcoin, just like I've been telling you guys. Okay, August is going to be interesting. We're already entering. Basically, we already entered that month, which was very critical regarding my altcoin season predictions, which was July. So this will continue going on. So we'll see some key differences between altcoins and Ethereum. But yeah, basically the same performance, except on this chart for Ethereum is much clearer for the next days. But again, I have to warn, because the energy is still yellow for the 8, 9. We need to be careful trading these days. Okay, many of them will be in range, and you'll need to pay attention to that. And finally, let's just cover the XRP chart, which is the last one. So XRP had a volatility program for today. It kind of was, but XRP trades very much in range, so we're not going to see huge. Well, we do get huge spikes from time to time, but it's not that usual. I mean, we're not going to see them every single time that all of these volatility patterns are present. So at least we got maybe a small pump, very, very small, but kind of in range as well right now. So you can already see the energy that August has. Okay, there was a potential for green days, powerful green days on the 5. We didn't get that. On the 6, we got that, but very much in range, very weak. So again, 8, possibly very much in range. Another range of days where you're going to see some pumps. I believe the 10 could be the most likely, because we already saw that they fully in green on the Ethereum chart. So I believe that has to be one of the coincidences that we get. And the more links, the more relationships to each chart has to each other, the more guaranteed it is that we actually see those energies for those particular days. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you. Again, if I'm able to finish the gathering of the data of the weekly predictions, I'll add them to these charts, okay? But if not, you'll see that by September. So having said that, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe, follow my work, especially my Twitter account, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.